Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy. Welcome to my channel. So today, before getting to the topic how to find YouTube channels most popular videos, I'd like to tell you about something a bit more. So the reason why I have this channel and why I have this channel and what's the relation with this channel, how does it help me, how does it help you. So let me tell you in details. As you might have realized, my name is Daria and I'm studying in Yıldız Technical University in Istanbul, Turkey, and my department is Communication Design. Maybe you're not really familiar with the name of communication design, so let me tell you what we do. We're actually designing most of the things you see in your daily life, the visual things, sometimes even audios, sometimes combined. So what we do is we're designing movie posters, we're designing apps, we do coding, programming, and we're designing games or game characters, anything that could be coming to your mind. So, but the part that I'm mostly interested in is interaction design. And how does it help me to have this channel? Why I have this channel is this. So interaction design is actually, it helps when we're designing an app. We have to know, we have some guidelines, we have some rules we're following. And this channel that I'm showing you how to do some specific things on social media platforms. For example, when I'm showing you how to create a YouTube account, how to create a Twitter account, or these kind of things, it is helping me in the sense of this. Yes, I'm using YouTube, I'm using Twitter, or I'm using most of these social media platforms, but when I'm using them, it's like it became something like swimming, riding a bicycle. I don't even think about it because I've been using them for a long time. But maybe you guys might not be very familiar with the web interface or the mobile interface, vice versa. So I'm helping you guys. How can you use those social media platforms or YouTube? And the way it helps me is when I will be designing my own app when I graduate, or when I have the time to do so, when I have the source to do so. When I'm helping you guys, showing you guys how to do such things step by step, I'm actually thinking what to do one by one. It's not like I'm using it in my daily life. And the questions that I get from you guys also helping me because I'm able to understand what users are actually having problems with. And so those details are helping me to shape, oh, these things I have to be very careful in future when I'm designing my app. Those are the things. This is the way it is helping me. When I'm helping you guys, it's like a win-win situation. I'm helping you guys how to use them. Showing you how to use those things. Also, at the same time, I am learning how to. I'm learning which details that I should pay attention when designing my own. So I hope you kind of cleared it up in your mind. And if you have any questions about these ones, you can ask me in the comments also. So let's get to our topic, how to find a YouTube channel's most popular videos. I know that you want to watch some popular videos in order to spend some good time. I do that. I even binge watch. But do you actually know how to find those most popular videos? So that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. So I have a lot of subscriptions, as you can see here. These are the people that I have subscribed to their channel, and maybe sometimes I didn't watch all of their videos, so I would like to watch their most popular videos, right? So let's get to home first. The first thing you should be doing, you have to go to YouTube. You don't actually log in, it's not required. But if you want to find your favorite YouTube channel, and maybe you have already subscribed to that channel, so it would be easier if you would log in. So the second thing we're gonna do here is the opening our favorite YouTube channel. So let me think first. I just refreshed my page, and Yes, I will be using this channel. So when you're on your homepage, if we click here, it's going to get us to the video. So what we should do is actually, we're gonna click here the name of the channel, or here, or I can show like here. So I will click right here. I would like to use this channel. I really like this channel. I'm clicking to their channel. I'm opening their YouTube, YouTube channel page. So since you can see, you can easily visit this channel by clicking on its name, just like I did. And now what we're gonna do, we're going to navigate to video section, which is right here next to the home button. And from here, what we can see, we're gonna click sort by, and here we will have these options: most popular, date added, oldest or newest. YouTube is going to put it that way. And since I would like to watch their most popular videos, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to click most popular. But this feature is not available for music channels. So let's get to it. Let's click on that. Yes, so these are the most popular videos of this channel. So actually this is done. Now the videos will be sorted by their popularity, so you can click on each one to enjoy it. Of course, if you would like to make a queue to watch them, you can click here, and then you will have your queue. So this is pretty much it. I'm pretty sure you can do it. And now I'd like to tell you, if you like this video, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like this video. And by the means of finding it helpful is this: if you found it helpful, that means you came here to learn how to do it, how to sort how to find that your favorite channel's most popular videos, and you didn't know before you came here, but now you do. That means I have kind of helped you out. And also, like I said in the beginning of the video, it also helped me in my head. Now I know the details when I will be designing my own app, and when I will have my own app, I'll let you guys know, so you will be there using my app for whatever the purpose will be. I'm not pretty sure about that right now, but yeah. So if you like this video and found it helpful, just like I said, don't forget to like this video. And also, if you have any questions about this video, or about something else, about any other social media platform, about some feature that you might not know how to use, or something you're just not able to solve by yourself, you can ask me on the comments so I can help you guys with them. And if you also have any suggestions, you can also let me know on the comments. I'm open to suggestions. You can suggest me to do some type of videos on the comments. When I'm down there trying to read your questions and answer them, I will also be reading them. So I hope you have your questions and you let me know on the comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, but I'm pretty sure you did, it's way easier than finding the most popular videos of your favorite YouTube channel. All you gotta do is click down there, the red button, but most probably you already did, so I don't mind it. But for the new ones that just came here, please subscribe so I can keep you guys posted, and also it can help me in this situation. So thanks again for watching my video, and see you guys in my next videos. Take care of you. Bye bye.